Here's a quick note about running tests. So we are using test runner, and in our glue, we have it set up to go through our test hooks. And remember, in our test hooks, we set up WebDriver.quit. So at the end of the test, regardless of what happens, it closes the Chrome WebDriver. If I come and click this button instead and run scenario, it'll run the test, but notice the WebDriver was never quit at the end. This is because it never called the test hooks, either the before or the after. So I'm going to go ahead and quit this Chrome web browser. So when you run it directly, it doesn't call the test hooks. This is fine if you only have one test, but obviously you're going to have more. So let's copy this and just create another test with a different name. If I go back to test runner and click run, if you notice in the lower left, it's running every single test in our system, which of course we don't want that. So to fix this, in our Cucumber options, we can add a tag. Tags is equal to, and I'm just going to call it @runThisTest. In our test runner, it will now look for this annotation to try to figure out which test to run. So if I annotate my scenario with @runThisTest, and then click run, you notice it only ran a single test, the one we specified. This is how we're going to deal with this for the rest of the project.